Although I personally support the use of DDT for its effectiveness in controlling diseases like malaria, today I'm arguing against the use of DDT. It's important to examine both sides of the issue, and in this case, there are serious environmental and health concerns associated with DDT that should not be overlooked. One of the most compelling reasons to oppose the use of DDT is its long-lasting environmental impact. DDT is a persistent organic pollutant. It doesn't break down easily and can remain in soil and water for decades. It builds up in the fatty tissues of animals and moves up the food chain, a process called bioaccumulation. This has had devastating effects on bird populations, especially predatory birds like bald eagles and peregrine falcons. DDT thins eggshells, causing them to break before hatching, which nearly drove both of these species to extinction. By continuing the use of DDT, we risk causing irreversible damage to delicate ecosystems that play a crucial role in biodiversity and planetary health. DDT is also linked to serious health problems in humans. Studies have found associations between DDT exposure and increased risks of breast cancer, liver damage, and reproductive issues. While direct causation is still being studied, the precautionary principle suggests that we should limit exposure to substances that pose potential harm, especially when there are safer substances available. The effects of DDT are not always immediate, making it hard and challenging to track, but its presence in the blood and tissues of people living in sprayed areas shows how pervasive and invasive it can be. Another major problem with the continued use of DDT is that mosquitoes and other pests are developing resistance to it. Over time, this makes DDT less effective and forces higher and more frequent applications, which only amplifies the environment and health risks involved. This resistance cycle undermines the very reason we use DDT. Disease control, and it pushes use of dangerous dependency on stronger chemicals. There are integrated pests management strategies, such as using mosquito nets, draining standing water, applying newer and targeted pesticides that no longer in the environment as long, which can reduce diseases without long-term consequences of DDT. While DDT has historically played an important role in disease prevention, the environment damage, health risks, and growing resistance suggest that continued reliance on not as sustainable or responsible choices. It's important that we look to safer, more balanced solutions that protect both human life and the environment. Thank you.